Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about NinjaLeads, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. Nifty tool that generates leads instantly within minutes. Every marketer dreams about this tool. Simple easy 3-step process. Create lead magnet pages that convert. Export leads with the click of a button. Insert advertisement. Sell products and receive payment on PayPal. Let's see what exactly it is.
Does this happen to you at home? You're trying to make some money, but nothing is happening. You're so frustrated because you're not getting any sales. You can't even focus because there's no money coming in. You know why that is? It's because you don't have enough leads. Howdy folks, Satish here from Dallas, Texas, okay? Let's get this out of the way, okay? No matter how you cut it, if you don't have enough leads coming in every single day, you're not going to be able to make money every single day. So I don't care, okay? I don't care what kind of business that you own. You might be an affiliate marketer, agency owner, insurance, doctor, dentist, chiro. I don't care what you do, okay? If you don't have a pipeline of lead coming in, your business is gonna die, okay? And the problem is that it's not so easy to get leads these days because people are, signing up with like fake email. They're not willing to give you the right email. They're not even willing to verify that's the right email. People don't want to give out their information. So what do? We have to find a way to get them to opt in. We have to find a way for them to make sure it's a legit email, and we have to make sure that they can actually pay you money if you need to, okay? So I'm gonna show you something. It's called NinjaLeads. NinjaLeads allows you to, generate leads like nothing else ever before. I'm gonna show that to you right now. Let's get on my laptop. I'm gonna show you exactly how I generated 1.2 million leads in about 6 months. Let's get on my laptop right now. So before we move forward, I wanted to show you my Aweber account right here. So this is my Aweber account, yes, and I do have 1.2 million email list directly right here on my email, on my Aweber account right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at NinjaLeads. So this is your dashboard for NinjaLeads, as you can see. And this account is for one of my sites called Pod Valley. It's for podcasters, right? So when people come in here, they can click on tools, right? And I have put up all these products, okay? And then when people try to click on this, okay? And they try to click on get it now, they have to actually put in a real name and a real legit email. And then when they click download, guess what, okay? The download freebie actually goes to their email. So it goes to the email right here, okay? And they have to actually download it directly from here. They can't even, just download it from here. That's gonna make sure that I have legit email address, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and log out of this, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and log out of this. I'm gonna go ahead and log into my normal account, okay? Account that has nothing, so I can show it to you from fresh account, okay? So this account doesn't have anything, okay? It's pretty fresh, okay? So products wise, there's no products, okay? And if I click on this link, guess what? It's empty. So let's go ahead and set this up. Let's go ahead and click on my settings. Now, before you start, okay, you'll have to go ahead and set up your store. So you can call your store whatever you want, okay? And I'm gonna call it, if you're into marketing, you can have the marketing name, doctor, whatever you have, whatever you want to call it. You can call it whatever you want. You can even have your name on it as well. So let's call it SGARE, marketing, okay? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna call it Satish Gear Marketing Tools, okay? I'm gonna have my link here as well if I want to. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my site link right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on update profile, okay? Guess what, okay? If I go up here, my new link is working, okay? I have a SSL certificate as well. Cool, let's go ahead and click on products. Now, I have a choice, okay? I can either add a product like this, okay? Very simple, very easy. I'll show that to you in a bit. Or I can click on import demo products, okay? These are legit products. Let's go ahead and we added these up. Let's go back to the site. Let's go and click on refresh. And guess what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, okay? This one is a dummy product to show you some demo, but this one's not a real product. But this one, and this one is a real product. So this one right here says $100 per day with AdSense. I put $1 up here because when people click on more information, I want people to be able to pay me right here. They have to pay me $1 to get access. The reason I did this is because I wanted to make sure that, these people can actually afford, they have a PayPal account that they can pay me with. It's just a validation method, okay? You can do this as well. Or I'm gonna click on this one, okay? People love this, and you can design this page the way you want it, okay? Let's click on get it right now. Let's click on the name right. Let's click on your email here. Let's click on download now. Again, guess what? You get an email, they get an email directly on their inbox right here. Click on this, okay? And they have to actually click on it like this to get whatever they are downloading, right? And then let's go back right here. Let's click on dashboard, and you'll see all your leads right here, okay? And then if you go to leads right here, and right here, see, this Satish Gear downloaded the lead, okay? This product, okay, is verified because I actually clicked on that link, okay? If I had paid money, it would say yes right here. It would tell me how much money I paid, but I didn't, okay? And this is how you can take a look at the leads as well. You can also go ahead and export the leads out by clicking on this button, and you can, get a CSV Excel format, and you can upload that into Aweber, Constant Contact, Inbox Sumo, whatever you want, okay? You can do whatever you want. So you can download your leads anytime you want by clicking on this button right here. Super simple, very easy. Now, let's go back right here, okay? On products, I'm gonna delete this demo product, okay? Now, let's refresh, okay? Let's go back right here. So super, looks good. Let's go ahead and add a new product. You can click on add a new product, okay? Or, like I said, you can use these demo products. These are legit products, guys. You can actually get a lot of leads using this as well. Let's click on add a new product. If you wanna add a custom product, upload an image, give it a name. Also put a price. So if you want it to be free, put 0, okay? If you want to charge people money, put $5, okay? Whatever you want, okay? And then you'll also put in your PayPal email on the setting so you can get paid as well, okay? You'll put the price actually right here and the title right here. You'll just design this page, whatever you want to do. You can do all these cool things. So for example, all these things, you can design this page up. Now, next up, you can either let people access the product by downloading a file. You can upload a file, or you can send them to your link, okay? So once people opt in and they have a link on their email, they can go to that link. So it's super, super easy, super, super simple. The fact is that with this product, all the leads that you get are going to be legit, okay? You'll know them. They are legit, okay? You can also validate it by making sure they can actually pay money as well. So you have these amazing leads, these products for you that you can start using right now, okay? Let's go on the left. We have advertisement. Guess what, guys? Okay, if you want to put ads on the top and bottom here, you can pretty much put a Google AdSense code, whatever you want. I'm going to put ad 1, ad 2, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and click update ads just to show you, right? Yes, you can put ads if you want to, or you can put whatever you want. I mean, it's up to you, okay? I'm not gonna do anything cool, but let me show it to you. So this is just an example. Normally, when you have Google AdSense, you'll put that code here, and guess what? Okay, it's right. Ad 1, ad 2, right? It's ad 2 is right here as well. Ad 2, and click on update. Guess what? Okay, it's here. It works, okay? So the way I use this is sometimes, right, I put my Google AdSense ad on the top and bottom, or like a product ad. So sometimes I'll get some sales as well. I put my affiliate marketing, banners on the top and bottom. So sometimes I'm getting sales from there as well. So that's how it works, okay? And if you go to my settings, you'll be able to put in your PayPal email. You can, change all these things here as well. Super easy, super simple. And that's pretty much it, okay? This product is so good, okay? Those landing pages with opt-in boxes, those convert here and there. This one is gonna convert so high. So this has a conversion rate of almost 80%. That's a super high conversion rate. So this is gonna get you a lot of leads, okay? And if you go ahead and buy a reseller, guess what, okay? You go right here, you can pretty much create accounts for your clients and charge them whatever money you want. Let's get back on the video right now. You've seen the demo, you've seen the proof, okay? It works, okay? So now you have a choice to make, okay? Do you just want to go ahead and lay down and do nothing and get no leads? Or you can get NinjaLeads, okay? NinjaLeads is going to get you leads from day one, okay? And if it doesn't work out, guess what? We will give you your money back, 100%. You got 30 days. No worries if this is not the right thing for you. If you don't get any leads and you're like, oh, I don't want it, guess what, okay? We'll go ahead and give you a full refund. So you have nothing to lose. Let's go ahead and go over the sales page and take action and get this right now. I'll see you inside the dashboard.
So don't waste your time and get instant access now. link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.